Just going to give you a walkthrough of what we've done this weekend. It was very erratic because Elizabeth and Joe and the kids were here, so we were just going by the seat of our pants. So I ended up tying all of these flowers back. The daisies, I didn't do any deadheading. My mom's coming up next week and I know she's going to love doing that. The kids love this garden and we love the moss. So Elizabeth suggested getting a little Buddha, so we may. I can't now find a big vase to do the water feature here. It's a little frustrating. I'll keep looking. I might be able to find it somewhere online. So what we did do, which wasn't planned, well, one of the things was planned, which was moving the little tree. So we've moved it to the front. I am so glad. I just hope that it takes. I've been watering it and I fertilized it, so fingers crossed. I put in 2 perennial hibiscus, so I'm really excited about that. And I put a peony, white peony behind there. I planted the daisies here. They look a little stressed. So we spent most of our time here. So the kids for 2 days just had an amazing time jumping off jump rock. The first time that both of them felt comfortable in the water, so we just ran with that. It's a little cloudy today. We had rain overnight until the early morning, and it looks like we may get some more, not sure. But we cleaned up the beach, the sand over here. We moved the boats over there. So I did rake everything again. I bought a sand rake, a fine one that will move some of these fine needles. It did come. It came in a damaged box, missing pieces, and one part is defective. So Amazon did give me a refund, but they didn't give me a label, so I don't know what to do with a sift. I have to call them when I get back. I'm still on holidays. Anyway, we did this and remove the thing from here. Now I can come here and relax. Took everything out of here. This was covered in dead leaves, so fixed it. We also managed to move all the rocks that were there, so it's now all spread out. Yeah, so we've taken them all out. We filled some of the stuff here, took out some sludge, and the big hump of sand here, we just put some rocks over here because to prevent erosion, it was just kept, yeah. So we put that there, lined it all up, and did this, loving the rock. When you clean up, it just looks very, very different. So we've got a nice bit of beach here. I mean, over here, from here to those rocks, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 feet. So if it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 feet to the rocks and about 7 feet here. So it's a nice play area for the kids. Oh, interesting. There's a whole bunch of fish. eating over there. So I did rake this here. There's still some sediment on the bottom. It'll look a lot better. I may do it another time or two. I have to do this side, so we've moved the dock over there. And as you can see, this stone or rock goes all the way over there. And I'll rake some more. I told him with this kind of a grade, if there wasn't anything to stop the sand, just like happened, that it would wash out. And yeah, so I found a rusty nail in the sand. So they still have to fix up all this gravel. I get that that's the foundation, but they can retain the gravel in such a way that it's not coming out here. This is, after all, our beach. So yeah, I think we're going to get some rain. We didn't do the cleanup that we were hoping to do, but did move the tree. I'm so pleased about that. And we did other stuff as well. We were consistently working, and moving those rocks was not a fun feat. Those were the rocks I was going to use for over there, but I don't think I will because we just didn't have enough to go across. So I'm just going to buy maybe 10-inch 10-inch boulders. These I have to move back. I will be here tomorrow. So the moss is coming in nicely. I still have that patch in the center to do. It was just too much fun with the grandkids here this weekend and Elizabeth. So leave it at that. The rain's coming down, gotta go.
Is this why I was wondering why the
That
dog
was on the paddle boat. That one's from the paddle boat.
Carter?
This one too.
Well, we can use them as an extension on the dock.
The which?
These chains.
Yeah. Like they had, remember they had it in the middle of the thing?
I know, I was wondering why it was so close this time. Anyway,
Because you put it there.
let's keep them here. We're not extending it now, are we?
Well, it's up to you.
Up, Eva, look straight up. No, another one.
Oh, what the heck?
We are on his space.
Oh.
We are.
He's gonna come check what you did, what you landscaped at his place.
They come over here and on the dock.
They eat the clams too.
Oh, do they? It's not what Dad's gonna do. Don't go close. Don't go. Stay here, eat.
Can you pass me the shovel?
Oh. This is interesting. Don't go close.
Eva, come this way.
Who is this guy? Hello. Hi.
You want to go to the dock?
What happened to his beak?
Me.
It's all. Yeah. Can you smell things? We can't. Hi. Hi. Where's your friends? Where's your friends?
He knows where they are, else it'd be called.
That's a wood duck.
No, wood ducks look like.
He's got the band on top of his eyes.
He likes
Yeah, but
going
wood ducks
there.
have a crown, like a ridge on top of their head.
Did you come to say
Unless
hi?
it's a female.
Hello,
Hi.
ducky.
Oh,
what a big
stretches.
stretch. Oh my goodness. Oh, little pickies. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Yes, you are. Look at you.
That's a wood duck.
A male.
Such a good boy.
I don't know what to see what's little
He's going to go to the dock. Go on. Go on.
There's a female wood duck.
Joe, don't move, please.
That's why it's being, why
Thank
it's
you.
being confused yesterday.
He's checking out your rock wall. Hi.
I'm looking through a shell collection that Carter went through earlier.
I like it over here.